We started our vacation in a gloomy day. It was foggy, raining, and windy. Heavy rains and even thunder never stops me to take video and photos in this magical place in Norway.
I'm alive, and I take you in. I've been falling, calling. When I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling?
As what the saying goes, there's always rainbow after the rain. And see what I've got. So magical. I did not expect that along our way, this magical rainbow will show up. And I managed to capture the best part of it.
Peace of mind. You dream away for a day. All I need is true, and I'm falling, calling. When I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break.
And finally, we reached to our destination. Once again, thank you for watching.